Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what PayPal is and how to use it. PayPal is a widely used digital payment service that simplifies online transactions. It allows you to securely send and receive money without directly sharing your financial details with every merchant or individual. Think of it as a secure digital wallet, connecting your bank accounts or credit cards to a single, convenient platform for all your online payment needs. It's designed for ease of use and broad accessibility. Setting up your PayPal account is a straightforward process. First, navigate to the PayPal website or download their mobile application. You'll then select the Sign Up option and choose between a personal or business account. You'll need to provide basic information like your email address and create a secure password. To fully utilize the service, you'll link a bank account or credit card, which typically involves a small verification deposit or charge to confirm ownership. This ensures your account is secure and ready for transactions. Sending and receiving money through PayPal is incredibly simple. To send funds, just click the Send and Request tab, enter the recipient's email address or phone number, and the amount you wish to transfer. They will receive a notification and can accept the money. For receiving funds, simply provide your PayPal email address to the sender. While sending money to friends and family from your bank account or PayPal balance is usually free, be aware that small fees might apply for credit card payments or international transactions, typically around 2 to 5% of the amount. PayPal offers more than just money transfers. It's a versatile tool for online commerce. You can use it to make secure purchases at millions of online retailers worldwide, often with just a few clicks. A significant benefit is its buyer protection program, which can help you if an eligible item doesn't arrive or isn't as described. Furthermore, PayPal employs robust security measures, including advanced data encryption and continuous fraud monitoring, to safeguard your financial information and ensure your transactions are protected against unauthorized access. Your peace of mind is a top priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.